Hello, I request your valuable few minutes of your time to watch this. I am Maunika Lakshmi. I would be to speaking about these uncertain times. Recent evidence have suggested that the novel coronavirus can spread through the air. Calm down, I do not intend to create a panic. These are tough and uncertain times for us all. However, we can overcome this by taking simple measures of precautions. I always used to hear my childhood that prevention is always better than a cure. So let's focus on that. First is wear a mask. Yes, we all know that while going out, we should wear a mask. I would request you all to wear a mask properly. This is the appropriate and scientific way of wearing a mask. Though you are maintaining a social distance, wear it properly. Next is wearing gloves help too. If you have a pair of gloves, then wear that too. If not, no problem. But do not touch the surfaces. The surfaces means where most of the people can touch those surfaces. But if you touch that surfaces, keep in your mind that not to touch your eyes, nose and mouth. If you have an alcohol-based hand sanitizer, rub your hands thoroughly. If you touch your eyes, nose, mouth also, the problems are comparatively less. Next is maintaining social distance. Yes, it is really tough. I have seen many people come close and close to you though you are maintaining a distance. Tell them to do. If they show their anxiety, tell them it is necessary and everyone has to do it because safety is first for each and everyone. Next is when you come home from outside. What do you have to do when you come home from outside? It is better to take a bath. If there is no time, then change your clothes, wash your hands till the elbows for 20 seconds. Those are the areas where spreading can take place. One thing to mention here is do not use alcohol-based hand sanitizer much at home. Use soap instead because from alcohol you may catch fire when you go near the gas stove. So use soap or hand wash at home. Next is while you are coughing or sneezing. While you are coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth with hand keys or a tissue. If you have cold, cough or a fever, then do not go outside. If it's too necessary, then wear the mask properly and isolate yourself. There are many people like health workers, politicians, police and many others have to go to their work. Only few of them are catching this virus. It doesn't mean that they are not taking precautionary measures. It means that they are not resistant to it. One more thing is if you have tested positive for coronavirus, no need to panic. Consult a doctor. If they say home quarantine is enough, then follow that properly by isolating yourself. Consult the doctor while you have primary problems. Do not wait to consult the doctor till it reaches your respiratory tract. Many people have consulted the doctor when it becomes a severe respiratory disorder. It is very tough at that time because there is no proper medication has been founded. I think this coronavirus is not a devil. It making all of us follow live and let live. And also it making all of us make a hobby of cleanliness which we thought a small issue. And also it teaches us to lead a disciplined life. So stay indoors how much it's possible and download and use Arogya Setu app for updates and guidelines of ongoing COVID-19 situation. If you feel this a little informative, then share with others. One thing to remember here is the fight is against the pandemic, not against the person. Our health is in our hands. I have taken these safety measures to protect myself and my family. And have you?